this video, I'll show you how to use Revolut Premium. If you haven't already, download the Revolut app from your App Store and complete the setup process. Open the Revolut app and tap on the profile icon, usually found in the top left corner. Select Upgrade or Premium. Follow the prompts to choose the Premium plan and complete your purchase. With Premium, you have access to travel insurance and medical assistance while abroad. Enjoy higher ATM withdrawal limits and without extra fees. Use the 24/7 concierge service for travel bookings, reservations, and recommendations, and get priority customer support for faster resolution of your queries. Just use the benefits section in the app to view and access your premium features. For concierge services, follow the instructions in the app or contact support through the chat feature. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.